Hey everyone, we're going to run the PVC intake and exhaust. I already got one hole drilled. Thought you might want to look, see how we do it. So I'm going to do the second one so you can watch. We went through the core here for the insulation, the closed cell insulation. I'm going to kind of demonstrate with the second one here, which will be the intake. So drill in place. Kind of want to line it up where the other hole was. Pull on the electrician's wires a little bit, get your drill past it, or better yet, do that. Here we go, ready? That stuff's flying, isn't it? I think I'm going to go over a little bit to the right because my battery's hitting. Is that going to fit? Guys, I like it. That feels good. Let's do it. Now, pull this out. We got the foam from the insulation. I'm going to get that out of there because you can't, it bottoms out. That. I really like these drill bits. Okay, supposed to click in. There it goes. Get some of this insulation out of the way. It's bottom out. There you go. That's out of the way. Been hitting the nail, but now we got the core out. On these drill bits here, you can push in this button. You start doing that, then that piece of the wood, so you can go further if your outside wall is a little bit deeper. We're going to finish it out. You're going to see daylight. Hang on. You see daylight out there? Oh, we got one little piece. I gotta have victory. Hold on. You guys hang on. There we go.